Welcome to our early WordPress Black Friday deals 2025. In this video, we are going to take a look at a few of those deals, and you can find the links to these deals in the video description. So let's get started. First up, we have WP Expo. WP Expo is providing up to 88% off on their Black Friday deals. Now, as you know, that WP Expo is a very popular company. It has amazing products like PostX, WholesaleX, Wow Store, Wow Review, Wow Opt-in. There are amazing products from WP Expo. If you take a look at WholesaleX, which is a really amazing wholesale plugin for WordPress, you can get it at a really discount price up to 65% off. You can see there are several plans for WholesaleX and you can get these at a really cheap price. So that's WholesaleX. Next up, we have Barn2. Now, Barn2, as you know, has popular WordPress and WooCommerce plugins. If we take a look at the plugins, they have Document Library Pro, WooCommerce Product Options, WooCommerce Product Table, WooCommerce Product Filters, WooCommerce Wholesale Pro. There are these top-tier premium plugins. Now, as a part of this Black Friday deal, Barn2 is offering an amazing 40% off on all of their plugins with the code BF2025. So this offer won't last very long, so you should grab your favorite Barn2 plugin as soon as you can. Next up on our list is Master Study LMS. Master Study LMS is an LMS plugin which you can use to build your e-learning website in WordPress. Now, we have many tutorials on Master Study LMS, and this Black Friday you can get Master Study LMS at 50% discount. So if we go to the deal page, we can take a look at it. We can see that they're offering up to 60% off on all their StyleMix theme products. There's the Master Study LMS online courses and education, which is normally $99, but you can get it at $49.50. You can also choose for how many sites you want from here. You can also get the cost calculator, which is an online calculator and pricing form builder at a discount price of $29.50, and various other products from StyleMix themes. Next, we're going to talk about Dokkan, and Dokkan is one of the most popular multi-vendor plugins for WordPress. And for this Black Friday, they're providing up to 55% off on Dokkan. So if we take a look at the pricing page, you can see there's up to 55% off. There's this Dokkan Enterprise Lifetime Access, so which is normally $4,995, but with 55% off, it's only $2,247. So that's a huge discount. And this plan gives you all modules and features, and you can use it on up to 10 sites, and you'll also get lifetime support. So if you're in the market for a premium WordPress multi-vendor plugin, you can check out this offer from Dokkan. Next up, Cadence. Now, Cadence is a top-tier theme for WordPress. We use Cadence on many of our tutorials and projects. And for this Black Friday, there's a 30% off on Express, Plus, and Ultimate plans. Also, there's $150 off on the Lifetime Ultimate plan. You can see the deal will last 13 days. The Express plan is available at a discount price of $49 per year. The Plus plan will be available for $119 a year. And the Ultimate plan is now available at $210 a year. So if you want a premium theme for your WordPress website, now's the time to check out Cadence. Now for ThemeForest. ThemeForest is a very popular place for your WordPress themes and templates. It needs no introduction. For this Black Friday, they're offering up to 50% off. Now, if we take a look at these offers, you can see all these popular themes such as a B theme, Flat Sum. All these themes are now available at a really discount price. You can see that the X, which is a very popular theme, which is normally $89, now you can get it for $44 only. So this can be one of the best deals for you. And the same goes for Code Canyon. Code Canyon is also offering up to 50% off. If you're looking for some amazing WordPress plugins, this is your time to get it. Plugins such as Bookly Pro, WordPress Automatic Plugin, WooCommerce, Amazon Affiliates, these are now available at a 50% discount. So if you're in the market for some premium WordPress plugins, this is the time to check out Code Canyon. Now let's also talk about Jetpack. Jetpack needs no introduction. This is a plugin that takes care of your WordPress site's speed, performance, SEO, security, everything. There are always deals from Jetpack, so make sure to check their page out for this Black Friday season. Next on our list is WP Rocket. Now, if you want to speed up your WordPress website instantly, this is an amazing plugin to have. For this Black Friday, they're offering up to 40% off. So if we take a look at the pricing page, you can see that these are some amazing deals. The single site plan, which is normally $59, is now available for $35 only. The plus plan is now available at $71.40. And the multi plan, which is the highest tier plan, which is normally available for $299. But for this Black Friday, with a 40% discount, you can get it for $179.40. So that is an amazing deal. Next up on our list is Rank Math. Now, Rank Math is a very popular SEO plugin. You just install it, go through the setup wizard, and it takes care of all your SEO needs. For this Black Friday, Rank Math is offering a massive discount. So there are 3 plans: the agency, business, and pro. The pro plan is now available at $5.75 per month. The business plan is now available at $20.75 per month. And the agency plan is now available at $49.92 per month. You can also get the SEO Plus Speed, which is Rank Math plus WP Rocket. Now, this was previously $13.99, but with a 36% discount, you can get it at $8.99. Now let's talk about hosting, and the first one is Hostinger on our list. And Hostinger is providing an amazing 85% off. This is a huge deal. If we take a look at the pricing now, you can see that web hosting is now really cheap. You can take a look at the premium plan, which is normally $12.95, is now available at $1.95 per month. This is an amazing deal. The business plan is now $2.75, and the cloud starter plan is now $7.45 per month. So for this Black Friday, if you are in the market for some premium hosting, check out Hostinger. Next up on our list is Liquid Web. Liquid Web provides you premium level hosting, and you can get your WordPress hosting at a really amazing discount. For this Black Friday, they're offering up to 77% off hosting. So if we explore these offers, you can take a look at these hosting. Hosting for WordPress starts at $4 per month. You can also get hosting for WooCommerce, which is $4 per month. You can also get managed VPS hosting, which starts at $15.18 per month. And finally, the dedicated server hosting is available at $22 per month. These are some amazing deals. So if you are in the market for some premium level hosting, you can also check out Liquid Web. Finally, let's also talk about WordPress.com. WordPress.com already has some yearly plus multi-yearly discounts going on. So if you're in the market for some great WordPress hosting, don't forget to check out WordPress.com as well. Now, these were all our early Black Friday WordPress deals for 2025. You can also check out our blog for all these deals. You can find the link to all these deals in our video description. So that brings us to the end of today's video, and we probably will be creating more videos as more offers come live. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. So thank you for watching. See you next time.